Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today's video I will be showing you how I installed this wig. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well if you have not already. So I first began with putting on my wig cap. I do not do the ball cap method on certain wigs because I change my wigs a lot. So I just literally put my stocking cap on and put some makeup, some powder that's my complexion, onto my cap and also onto the inside of my wig so the lace is more blended into my skin. So this wig is from my hair collection, Dark and Deluxe. If you ain't shopping, what you doing? Okay, but I'm gonna put the link in the description box as well. This is the HD lace, and I'm gonna use some witch hazel to clean my forehead across my hairline. I try to stay away from alcohol because it can be a little strong on my skin sometimes. So once I do that, I go in with my Bold Hold Active. I use the active because I go to the gym a lot as well and I sweat. So I just need a little extra waterproof hold, and I use 3 layers. Each layer, make sure that you are applying it very thinly. I'm going to use this, okay? So don't talk about me. Do not talk about me. It looks a little ghetto. Yes, it's an eyebrow razor. I didn't have any sticks or anything to use, so we're going to use what we had. But I am going to just spread all that out. And I'm only spreading it where the closure stops and starts, which is a 5x5, so 5 inches across my head. This is the second layer. Make sure that the first layer is clear before you go in with your second layer so the glue isn't too chunky and all that. And then I did apply the third layer off camera. Now I'm going to apply my wig. Yeah, I was so focused because you got to be focused on this part. You got to put the wig in the right spot. And not even gonna lie, y'all, I didn't bring the wig far up enough because my forehead is like huge, but it's okay. I didn't want to take it back off. So anyways, I just use my comb to press the lace into my skin just a little bit to get that extra melt. And then y'all see that hairline plucked, baby, plucked. And then I'm going to take my Got To Be glue spray. I spray this across my hairline before I put my band on, just for an extra hold. And then just comb that in as well. Well, not comb it in, but comb the lace down. Press it into your skin with the back of the comb like you see me doing. And then we are going to put our elastic band on, tying it tight. And I mean tight. It's only for 10 minutes, y'all. So if your blood stops for them 10 minutes, it'll be worth it, okay? If you know, you know. If you know, you know. You got to get the hair laid by any means necessary, okay? So I'm going to tie that onto my head. And again, we are going to let this sit for 10 minutes. You can blow dry it to make it go by faster, but I just let it sit for 10 minutes. Then I took it off. And y'all, that's the feeling of relief right there. I'm going to go in and cut it with these scissors. I actually went in with a razor. I tried this new method that I seen on TikTok, and it actually did pretty good. I just put the razor onto my head, and I pulled the lace up towards the razor. As y'all can see me doing, it's kind of hard to explain, but it actually did pretty good. Y'all, look at my face. I was like, what am I doing? I don't know why on this side I chose to use my scissors and one side the razor. I don't know, y'all, but it still turned out good on both sides, so that is all that matters. Once I did that, I took some makeup that is my skin tone and I applied that to the hairline as well. And then also I sprayed some more Got To Be spray in the yellow bottle. I put it on my fingers and then I pressed it into the edge of that lace where I applied that makeup, just so the makeup can, kind of like break down a little bit. I don't know the terms, y'all, but this is just what I do, and it works. It works. So once I do that, I go back in and tie my elastic band again. This is gonna be sitting just for like 5 minutes. You can do 10 minutes if you feeling good. I let it sit until I finish cutting my layers and everything. So for my wax stick, this is my wax stick from my hair collection. I'll link that in the description box as well. But I'm going to go through each section And I'm going to apply my wax stick just at the root. You don't have to apply the wax stick everywhere, all the way down the hair, just at the root. And then hot comb it. If y'all hear anything, that is my dog. He just got the zoomies. So I'm sorry, y'all, but this man does not go to sleep. I'm so sorry. But anyways, we are going to finish that. Now I'm just fixing my parts. Look at that beautiful part. Okay, then I'm going to do the same thing to both sides.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put.
So what you see me doing here now is called a T-part. I like doing T-parts because it just makes the wig look so much neater and makes it lay more flatter as well. So once I complete all of that, I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I believe this is in the shade Fawn, I'm not sure, but I'll put it in the description box. But I put that on a little brush and I parted down my part, which for me is down the middle, just a little bit goes a long way. And this is just because I did not pluck my part, so I needed it to be a little more defined. And then this is an HD lace as well, so I tried to do as less plucking as possible to prevent holes and stuff like that in my lace. So now this was a 22-inch wig, but I cut it. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. Yeah, I cut it off. I cut it to maybe 18-inch, I believe, somewhere around there, like so. So yeah, I just wanted to try something new. I usually have long hair all the time, so I wanted to try a little shortcut on. Y'all, look at my face. I was so focused. I should have did this on the mannequin, but like I didn't need a perfect look or a perfect cut because I was curling it anyway. I don't ever plan on wearing this hair straight. So yeah, now I'm just going to curl my hair. I used my Babyliss Pro titanium curlers. I am unsure of the size of this barrel, but I will try to figure out and let y'all know because I get a lot of questions on that. But I'm just gonna go in and curl my hair, so I'll be back once I finish that.
Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you. And then forget again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around. Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally. Living on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone with you? Can I be alone with you? If you can, take my hand. I promise we'll find love again. Love again.
Now all I am doing is fixing my part, making it a little more defined, and just doing the little finishing touches that I need to do on this wig. I combed them out with this wide tooth comb to preserve my curls, and this is how they turned out. So cute. It's just so pretty, you guys. It's just so pretty. And then that's it, y'all. I just played with it for like 10 minutes to make sure everything was the way I wanted it to be. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you are interested in a custom wig, make sure to check the description box for more information.